Hi, here I am going to show you how can we create common template for all your drawing in AutoCAD software. Start drawing, then set unit first. So precision value set as 0, then units already in millimeter, set as okay. Then next step, set the limit. So specify lowest corner 0, 0, press enter, then upper right corner. So here I am going to consider the A4 sheet in portrait as per ISO standard. The dimension 297, 210. Press enter. Then zoom all the window. Press Z, enter. Then press A, then enter. Zoom all the window. So here I am going to draw the title box. So select line command. So as we know the standard, okay, as per standard we know the title box dimension. Length having 170 mm and height 60 mm. So specify first point. So to draw the horizontal line, I am enabling ortho mode. Press F8 or selecting the icon. So 170 mm length having height 60 mm. So making as a rectangular. Again 170 mm. Then to close the starting point, you can no need to give the value. Just you can press C, then enter. It will get close. Here I am going to divide. So here I am going to divide 6 rows. Okay, 6 rows dividing 10 mm 10 mm space. So select line command, or you can go to the make it quickly. So select offset. So asking offset distance, each row is having 10 mm space. So 10 mm. We want to this line or this line, which line? So I am going to select the top line. Okay, then press again, you can select, then enter, again select enter, like you can do for multiple, to create multiple lines. Then press escape to come out the option. Then we need to draw the 3 columns, from left side 40 mm, from right side 50 mm. So again you can go to the offset. So 40 mm. So first you can give the 40 mm distance from your left hand side. Select the line. So left or right. So I need inside 40 mm. Similarly, I want left side 50 mm. So again select, then choose the line 50 mm. Okay. Now you can see the question. So here is given, you need to write the top title. So you need to merge the rows. Okay, and here also you need to draw the symbol. So here you can choose the trim command. So select the tool, then press enter to select all. Select all, then go to the object what you want to remove. So here also I am going to remove. Then press escape to come out the tool. So here I am going to write the text. So you can, okay, text style you can fix it. So hide text style. I am going to, so ISO, just you can press I. So let's go to the ISO I letters, then set as 7 mm height. So the title I am going to write 7 mm height, 0.7 width factor. So select the text, specify the first point, then specify the uppermost point. I am going to specify over here. Okay. So now you can write. So letters and numbers. So in capital letter, and 2D geometries. So it's not in the within the space. So select, just you can move where you want to keep. Okay, if you want to keep in the middle, keep it as it is. See here, I want to keep over here because it's a space at 10 mm. So here I am writing in 7 mm height. Okay, suppose if you want to keep at the middle, just you can press and keep over the middle. Okay. So next I am going to write. Okay, in so 5 mm height. So go to style. So 5 mm height, 0.5 with factor, set apply. So here I am going to write 5 mm. Okay. So you can write your first register number. So reg dot number. Write your full registration number. To repeat the command, press enter. So I need to write in the middle. So I am select over here approximately. So it will start with RA. Then so write your 13-digit registration number. Then you need to write your name. Sender name. So write your name. For example, I am writing Siva. So next, so you need to write over here the department. Okay, write software. Shortly you can write S1 batch. Then bottom write the faculty name, followed by you can write faculty name. Write faculty name. Then here you can write the date. Okay, experiment number, then date. So experiment number. Number 1. So each week only you need to change the number and date. So here you can write the date. So this format. And here write the bottom. So the dimension we are following all dimension mm. So you can write. So all are in mm. So then here you can draw the symbols. So two concentric circle. Two concentric circle. Then one component. So for that you can make the reference line. Then you can draw the line for larger diameter length, you can draw one line. And draw one more line to draw the smaller diameter length. And repeat the command, right click, repeat the command. So this is a symbol which is indicate we are done following first angle projection method. Okay, this is a symbol which is indicates that we are followed entire drawing in first angle projection method. So about that we can discuss later. So all the letters and numbers you can keep it in the middle. Okay, then you can draw the margin. So for the A4 sheet I can take the entire margin. So for that you can take A4 sheet dimension. Okay, so height 210. So you can select offset tool, select 210, select the line. From here is a 210. Select the line. Similarly, select the offset tool. So length it having 297. So because in landscape, select this line. So it's having 297. So I need to select the vertical length. So again, so 297. Press enter. Then select this vertical line. So right side, left side. So any side. So I'm going to make it as here. So this side. Okay. And press enter. Then choose the fillet command to joining the edges. So just you can select the two lines which is create the fillet. Fillet means generate the edges. Similarly, you can repeat the command. So select this line and this horizontal line. Similarly, you can repeat. So this line and this. Okay. So here the title box should be your bottom right side corner. So bottom right side corner. So actually, okay. So we need to take the. So after 297, press enter. Select from this side. Then you can enter. Go to the fillet command. Fillet command which is used to joining the generating the corners. Select this line and select the vertical line. Similarly, select horizontal line and this line. Get the fillet. Press escape. So then select the entire object. Okay. So then move over here. I'm moving here. Okay. Then save as. In your folder, any drive. So template. Suppose in the template I need to draw the my all exercise. So insert, you can go to the insert block from the libraries. So here I'm going to browse the block. So the first exercise, open. It will take few minutes.
It's calling you.
It will take few minutes. Then select insert. So keep it over here. So now we make